start this thing. And you guys should be able to hear me and potentially see me. So, see myself. You guys, there's no camera for the video, guys. So, yeah, okay. Set color. And you do this thing. This one. Hello, guys. Okay. So let me just put myself so right here. Okay, guys. So, first things first. What do I want to talk about? Let's see if there's anyone actually watching me at this moment. This very moment, there is no one. There's not a problem. So, yeah, first things first. I don't normally stream on YouTube as much as I stream on my Telegram. Feel free to find my channel. Um, I will be putting it in the description of this video. But simply said, what I want to talk about today is this very important chart, and that very important chart being dollar divided by gold. We've had dollar rallying yesterday, 2 days ago, during the elections, and that rally gave a lot of people some hope who were praying the dollar would go up, that the dollar's strength would still be at the top, no matter what's happening fundamentally. There are some believers of this, and I disagree very strongly with those believers. So we are at the very critical moment of the dollar strength index divided by gold breaking out to the downside, which intuitionally means that firstly, dollar is going to go down, gold is going to go up. Both are correlated to Bitcoin. Dollar is negatively, gold is positively. And this move is critical for us to see. And it's critical for us to see a sustained move in particular. So let's go to a more important time frame, something like 5 minutes. This, ladies and gentlemen, right here is a very good um, moment for out season to start, for the bull market to just kick off fully. We have on the other side we have Bitcoin. That's just so crazily bullish. This is my spread chart. This is the support that has been abiding to so far, and very much so, as you can see here. This is the fairly short-term Fibonacci's that I put there. Also abides very much by these lows. And we've had a massive rebound from this Fibonacci right here, the 100% Fibonacci. And this is the next support that I've drawn out here, and this support is based on the halfway movements of the previous bull run within that particular channel, horizontal channel. So again, we're in this moment, and if we look even deeper in that moment, we've already retested it. We already retested a very significant support. So 2 hours we look bullish. 3 hours we should look bullish, yes. 4 hours, not so much, but will be as long as we close like this within 16 minutes. And in a very short time frame, 1 minute, we bounced here. This is the Fibonacci, not Fibonacci, this is the middle area that I was speaking about. And we have now retested this level 3 times, and we are ready for a very strong sustained move. At the same time, we have the red by gold breaking out, which is amazing. And I just realized if there's no viewers, I don't really want to stream here. I'd rather record a video for my channel. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Hello guys, I don't normally record this type of shit, but today it looks quite good. So first thing I want to show you, this is one of the oldest spread charts that I've utilized and I've been using. 11-day chart will look something like this. Yes, it looks a bit messy, but it makes sense. This is the channel that we've been inside since 2017, and I expect us to continue being within this channel for a good period of time. Now, if we look on shorter time frames, and if you look according to the spread graph, not according to the spread graph, but the spread graph looks very technically obedient. It looks like it respects a lot of supports and resistances, as you can see here and over here as well. On lower time frames, this is a short-term Fibonacci we have here. We have this part of the channel, the bigger channel that I showed you, and we have this support that we have abided quite a lot of times. And here we've had that massive impulse move to the upside, all the way making new highs. Obviously not in the spread chart, but in the nominal chart, it has made those highs. And right now we're at this level. Now, what is this support line? This support line marks the middle of the previous cycle, top. And this is the horizontal channel that has been trading in. And again, we are at this line, which is extremely significant. Looking at lower time frames, we have actually retested it. Looking at even lower time frames, we have made more significant support lines, which is very bullish. We need to check the volume to see how it looks like. Let's just have a look. So BTC USD, we're seeing some good volume, at least on these sides. Here we've slacked off a little bit, but it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad at all. Let's go back to the spreadsheet. So, simply said, this is not an educational video of how I would analyze or anything like this. This is more of a prediction that I have for the market for tonight, the next 12 hours specifically. Given this very short-term support that's significant, given that we've bounced off very beautifully off of this not Fibonacci, but the middle of the cycle top in 2021, I believe that there's a very possible cause for another sustained, very strong movement to the upside. Why do I think so at this very moment? It's because of this particular chart as well. If you have a look on a daily time frame, this is dollar divided by gold. Now, dollar negative correlation with Bitcoin. If dollar goes up, BTC goes down. gold, positive correlation with Bitcoin. If gold goes up, Bitcoin goes up as well. So in the very okay, let's go back to this thing. In this period, I did not expect us to get that high, and Donald Trump, in my opinion, is the only factor that has put the dollar so high. And I really don't think it's trading at a fair value right now. I think that gold will be returning to its previous high levels, and dollar, on the contrary, will be going down. And this is a Fibonacci, a very significant Fibonacci that I've lined up for us right here. It's based on the previous movements, as you can see, all the way dating from 2021. So now I expect there's going to be volatility, but might be going up and down everywhere around the scene. But overall, I expect these two currency pairs, not currency pairs, but pairs to significantly drop. And every single alt season, every single bull run, when there was some very strong power, we find the dollar dropping, and that is necessary. It is needed. And as far as it goes, that's what I'm expecting. So, yeah, I guess this is it. Again, we've bounced off this very significant support line. We've made new diagonal support lines, which so far BTC has been abiding. And we are at some very crucial levels. As long as we might do something like this, break out, and then go up, estimated 5 a.m. But generally, within the next 12 hours, I expect a very strong move. If it doesn't come, guys, it is what it is. I still think that before correcting, we should be hitting 77,700. Around about these levels. It might not be the case, it might be the case. I guess we'll just have to see. But for the time being, that's all for me, guys. Hope to see you guys commenting, asking questions, be as active as you want.